Bhishma Pitama, the unbeatable warrior blessed with Ichha Mrityu, collapsed on a deathbed of arrows on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. But at this critical moment, instead of the war, why did he choose to speak about the mysteries of time? It was a moment of shock for everyone. All the grandsons, warriors of the Kuru dynasty, were standing around Bhishma Pitama, pierced by arrows, yet alive. And in that silence, he spoke, not about war, not about victory, but about a secret that would completely change the perception of time. Pitama firmly said, "Listen carefully, my brave grandsons. I, Bhishma Pitama, the eternal guardian of the Kuru dynasty, speak to you not about war, not about win or fall, but about a great secret, the wheel of time, Kal Chakra." Do you ever feel like you already know a person even if you're meeting them for the first time? Or you just enter a place and it feels very familiar to you, strangely for no reason. In simple words, we call this deja vu. But you know what it is? These are echoes from our past. And this was the first secret of time that Gangaputra Bhishma revealed. History repeats itself quietly in ways that we don't always notice. Bhishma explained that every action, every choice leaves a mark in time, and these marks slowly build patterns. People often make similar choices, and therefore same situations come back in new forms. And that is why leaders face the same challenges and wars follow the same cycles. So ultimately, he wanted his grandsons to know that even small actions matter. A single word, a single decision taken today can affect our future. Our actions can create situations that feel like they are repeating themselves. And if you notice these patterns, you can act wisely. Ignore these patterns, and history will come back again and again until you learn the lesson. Understanding this first secret was just the beginning. The grand warrior of Mahabharata hinted that time holds even deeper mysteries. The wise and brave Bhishma Pitama revealed the second secret, that time has a voice. Though silent, it speaks to those who are aware. It sends signals through sudden thoughts, feelings, or even dreams, which means that time guides us before any major event is about to take place in our life. A warrior might suddenly sense danger. A leader might feel the right choice without reason. Or it might happen that you may dream of something that later comes out true. These are not coincidences. They are whispers from time. These are the links that connect present and future. The grand warrior of Mahabharata himself revealed that we must pay attention to these quiet signals from time, because these are the ways in which time helps us to avoid danger and take better decisions. Sometimes you just feel like something is going to happen, or sometimes you feel very confident about a choice. Just know that it is time who is guiding you. Pitama explained that noticing these quiet signals is the key to walking wisely. Time is not just a straight path to follow, it quietly guides those who pay attention. And then he revealed the last and a secret that holds the deepest truths of all. Have you also been told by your elders that all things in your life are meant to happen at a particular time because the script of our life is already written? But Bhishma Pitama revealed a final secret that changed everything we knew about time and destiny. He revealed that destiny is not fixed. Time gives us choices, and even if history seems to repeat, our actions can create a different future. On the bed of arrows, Gangaputra Bhishma looked calm and strong. He explained that time is like a river, it flows endlessly, but we can definitely control our boat. Every decision, no matter how small, can change the course of events in your life. And as he revealed this, he smiled gently, reminding them that understanding these mysteries was more powerful than any weapon on the battlefield. So, even though events may feel like they are repeating themselves, wars, success, failures, if you notice the patterns and act wisely, you can break the cycle, implying that destiny can bend if you choose. And this was the greatest secret, that time watches everything, but it also gives us the power to act and change our destiny. For more such mysteries, stay tuned with Rahasya Tales.